Good morning, everybody. Sorry for delay. Had a computer problem. Thank you, Josh. Yes, please like the video. That helps a lot. So it's the last 2 days of the trading of the year, and volumes as usual is low, and the algos is just killing everything. It's just they killing IV, they killing premiums. Maybe Monday everything starts backing up. I'm sorry, Tuesday. Monday market is closed. So we'll see. For today, market, pre-market, right now SPY, everything is kind of flat. But indicator-wise, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward. And the most important thing is that the 4 hour got a dead cross. So there is a little bit pressure down. We're still very bullish on daily and weekly on the ES and Q. Same thing, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hour is not dead cross yet. It's still super bullish on daily and weekly. Another thing I want to repeat again, a lot of names going parabolic move, and just keep in mind, parabolic moves fails until weekly MACD dead cross. So sky's the limit, but we'll see. From Dow Jones, daily MACD is already dead cross. RUT, we're getting a dark blue bar on daily. It's topping out right now for 2100. We'll see if it's gonna pass it strong or not. TNX, a little bit coming up pre-market. 5, 15, 30 is upward. Daily MACD, if it golden cross, it can get interesting there. 37.44 is a key level to watch. If it breaks that, the market can, and especially small caps, can squeeze up higher. 37.44, that's a key level to watch. DXY, DXY just went crazy yesterday lower, and right now it's still holding below 101.37. 100 is a mental level. If it passes that one, techs can go for a rip up. Daily and weekly are still downward, but just keep an eye on DXY. If in case suddenly jumps up, it's just not it's gonna be a catalyst for a bigger pullback for market. So keep an eye on DXY. Wix, it's just non-stop pulling back. Next target there is 12.1. Pre-market right now 15:30 1 hour is upward. Just keep in mind, keep an eye on Wix. Whenever you see a jump up, it can trigger a sudden pullback on the market. So yesterday, at this point at 11 at 1:30, suddenly 15 MACD got a golden cross, and boom, we got like 10 15 points drop. And in this market that the IV is getting killed, and moves are so little, premiums move very fast once there is a big move. So just keep that in mind. Wix 15:30 1 hour is upward. Still very bearish on the 4 hour, and daily it's just a mixed signal. We got red bar on the TTM squeeze, and daily MACD is upward. So we'll see. Need to break 12.1 or 1307 for a bigger move in the market. BTC, when was trying to go up yesterday, and the 4 hour got a golden cross again, dead cross again. And it's interesting, every crypto names related was just going nuts crazy yesterday. So maybe they're expecting the ETF get approved very fast soon. Apple got news yesterday that they pause the ban so they can import again, and a little bit gap up. So it is possible that opens that jumps up. So keep an eye on Apple 194.02. That's a key level to watch. If it opens and passes that is strong, we're looking at 194.71, 195.84, 196.96. 1 hour and 4 hour very bullish, but pre-market 5, 15, 30 not so much. So it's all about open and jump. If it jumps, jump on it very fast. Amazon, Amazon is just, if you look at the daily chart, is just inside a tight range going up and down, no special direction. Every dip getting sold, every dip getting bought, every rip getting sold. So need to break this range of like 152, 155, then it can have a bigger move. Key levels to watch is 153 and 154. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move up or down. Nvidia um, is still very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly, and the 1 hour got a golden cross pre-market. Yesterday it opened and jumped, so it's all about passing that one, which is already above that kind of, yes. So it needs to pass pre-market high 497.5. If it passes that one, we're looking at 498.51, 501.37. But again, keep in mind every pullback, premiums getting killed very fast. So at the open play, it can be high risk, because yesterday it opened, jumped, and then fast pulled back. So just keep that in mind. Yep. So AVGO, AVGO pre 4 hour is just mixed signal. The MACD is downward, but TTM is squeezed. We got a light blue bar. So, and it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. It's just mixed signal. 1124, 1131 passes either one, can make a bigger move to 1115 or 1138. If you look at the daily, it's just in a tight range. Needs to break the range for a bigger move. Until then, consolidation ahead. Chinese name, some strength pre-market. It's all about 7802 on Baba. If it passes that one, we're looking at 7965 next one. Weekly MACD finally is a little bit curving up. So once we get a golden cross on weekly, things gonna get really interesting on Baba. Netflix. Again, this one is flat. It's all about two key levels, 490 and 493.88. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move. If you look at the weekly, it's just in a tight range again. Same like many other names, so need to break the range for a bigger move. Until then, premiums out of the money can get killed. Meta, every day it opens and jumps up, but sometimes it jumps up, then it fails. So again, if it opens and jumps, 362.5, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 364, 367, 53 is the next target. Still bullish on the 4 hour. If we get a golden cross, can go for a crazy run up. Daily and weekly is very bullish. All-time high is not too far away, and it's possible to come before the earning. Again, it's last few days it was just open jumps, and sometimes it fails and pull back. So if it jumps up and fails and pulls back, 357 is a key level to watch. Below that, it can support our 356, 355, 354, 35. Tesla gap up open. It went to 265. 1 hour MACD we didn't dead cross yesterday, but pre-market is dead crossing. So there is a little bit of weakness pre-market. If you have a swing, you want to probably call lock it open. It's all about 264.74. 15:30 1 hour is downward. It's still 4 hour daily and weekly are very bullish. So two key levels to watch is 262.8 and 264.74. If 265 passes, we're looking at 266.67, easy to come above that. It can squeeze up to 269, 270, 293. And the key event for Tesla is next week. They're gonna announce how much quarterly sales they had. Again, 260.41 is a 262. If you can hold it back to 260.41. Microsoft. 4 hour is near golden crossing, need to pass 375 for a strong run up. Again, if you look at the daily, is in a tight range. 375, if at any time passes, we're looking at 376, 378, 380.99. Daily MACD is still downward, weekly is still bullish, so there's a mixed signal. Need to break the range for a bigger move to come. Google, 4 hour, we got red bars there. This one again inside the range for now, hovering around 140.62. If it can hold 140, back to 139.36. If it passes 140, 141, we can run up to 142.67, 144.72. Yeah, so this is just mixed signal, not clear. AMD is strong and it just keeps going higher. 146.87, that's a major level. If it can pass that, we are looking at 147, 149, and 150, 102 next major levels. Pre-market they're showing a little bit weakness on the 15, 30, and 1 hour. They're all dead cross, but the 4 hour is still bullish, and daily and weekly is super bullish. So just keep an eye on 146.87 pass, run up again. If you see pullback, supports 145.98, 145.28. Below that, bigger pullback. Boeing is just yo-yo actions for now. Again, in a tight range. 261. Low of the this morning was 260. So if 261, 260 can hold it, pull back again. Daily MACD is dead cross, so there is some pressure downward, but every time it comes down, again it rips back up to 262, 264. So once it breaks 265 or 260 is strong, then it can make a bigger move. That's the range for Boeing. SPY. SPY is still bullish. Daily MACD is just circuit parallel. They're very bullish on MACD and weekly. 4 hour not dead cross yet. 476 is a support for now. Need to pass 477.92 for run up to the all-time high. And if it passes 477.92 for whatever reason, next target is 485. I'm gonna get the details levels there. QQQ. It's opening above 412.31. It's a new all-time high there, and I'm gonna have to get the levels there. Next major level is 417.05 if it jumps up, but pre-market right now there is some weaknesses on 15:31 hour, and again it's a low volume day and the last 2 days, so keep that in mind. The IWM. Got 4 hour dead cross there. General trend is still very up on the daily and weekly. What else you got here? coin, because of Bitcoin pullback, is pulling back. It's possible to touch down major levels and then bounce up. Major levels to watch is 178.83, 174.08, 171. Every dip it's been buying opportunity for coins so far. Last few weeks it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. So watch 15 and 5. Once you see 5 and 15 MACD golden cross, it can bounce up unless it passes 171.15 strong. MSTR was a crazy run up yesterday, but now is pulling back for 650. That's a major mental level. If it can hold it, we can go all the way down again to 645, 630. Pre-market not looking so strong, and 4 hour we got dark blue bar. CLH is still very bullish on daily and weekly. This one need to pass 56.35 or run up to 57.68 and higher level. What else you got here? Um, that's pretty much on the major name. LLY was interesting yesterday, was jumping up. Some weakness pre-market. If it passes yesterday high, which is 583.68, next target is 587 and higher level. Just keep in mind, January is coming. A lot of people want to sign up for gym. They want to lose weight, so maybe they take the drug and maybe the business booms for LLY. What else you got here? JD jumping up there, and but pre-market showing a little bit of weakness. Need to pass 28.94 for run up to 29.48 and higher level. Bidu, some their chat GBT version got 100 million owned users. 117.44. If it can passes 119.11 next to target. Yes, thank you, Josh. Caterpillar, somebody asked. To Caterpillar, daily weekly is still very bullish, but pre-market not so strong. It seems like it's topping out for now. Need to pass 298.89. That's if it passes that one is strong. We're looking for 303.64. Easy to come above 303. Next long target is 310, 319.03. Take a look. Carvana. Carvana. Carvana is still very bullish on weekly, but daily MACD is a little bit curved down, and we got dark blue bar. It pulled back from 62 so far, and it's hovering around 54 for now. If 54 passes, we can run up again to 55, 57.99. If 52.8 can hold it, then pull back to 51, 57, 50.05 and lower level. Be cautious about these names. These are parabolic moves. Carvana, AFRM, UPSD, and many other names. At some point, it's possible they fail very big and fast. So just keep that in mind. Yep. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, sorry for delay. I had a computer problem. And if you like, I have a still until January 1st, I have the 8 days free trial. You can join us and enjoy it. All right. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.